So you've just either laid brand new tiles or you've spent a couple of hours cleaning them, and now you're thinking what to do. So now is the perfect time to put a good quality sealer on it. So the reason for putting a sealer like this on, Wonderseal, is to protect it from the dirt, the grime, barbecue grease, so it's easy to keep clean. Before application, make sure the tiles have been cleaned with something like a pressure washer and make sure they are dry. Application with this product can be done by brush, roller or pump action garden sprayer. So after the tiles have been coated with the Wonderseal, it is a totally natural finish and you don't realise it's there until this happens. And it beads the water away.